Hey, what's up everyone? So today I got my fairing for Fat Bob 114. So it's called Spartan mini fairing. It comes with the two bolts. This company. So I think so we need this is the installation instructions. It's pretty simple. So we need these tools. I think the Allen keys will be enough. So unscrew this and this bolts. Remove these parts and put it to here. So let's start it. Oops. Yeah, we have these two pieces, two mounts. It's supposed to be here. Like this. Okay, it's supposed to be like this. Yeah, I use the blue gel. I think it's supposed to be loose. Because I need to fit these two holes with the fairing, so that's why it's supposed to be loose. Okay, easy. So it's pretty easy installation. So it should be lined up with the hole, and once we screw these bolts, we should to tighten this one. We'll do it after. Yeah, and the last thing, it's number 13, and we just screw it tight. That's it. Very simple installation.